Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2362. Add columns that have the same header. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. I know I'm being set up here. This question from Rico on YouTube asking how to group columns with the same header. So like here, we have two columns that have the header of 2. He wants to take 0 plus 1 to get 1, 1 plus 0 to get 1, and so on. Here are my two ways. The easy way. Old school, going back to 1993. Data Consolidate. Alt+D N. Alt+D N. Specify the reference, including the headers, and say that I want to use the labels only in the top row, and click OK. And it gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Collapses them down, and here where we have 0 plus 1, I get 1. 1 plus 1, I get 2. This is fast and easy. The problem is that if this data changes, the data consolidate does not change. You have to update it. And there's a new bug. There never used to be this bug. If I come back in here, Alt+D N, and click OK, it's only updating the first column. So I actually have to clear it out, and then Alt+D N, and click OK. All right, super annoying. Two formula solution. First formula is unique. Of the headers here, and I'm going to say by column is true. Click OK, and I get the numbers 1 through 5. And then, straightforward from there, equals SUMIFS. Go look to see if the numbers, or what do we want to sum? We want to sum the numbers in this row. And here I'm going to press F4, not just once. I want to lock it down to the columns, but not the rows. The rows need to be able to move. So F4 3 times. The criteria range is go look through the header row, and this time I need that row to stay put, so I press F4 to put all the dollar signs in. And then I think I can do this all in one. If I point to this cell, so V4, and I want just the dollar sign before the 4, so I press F4 2 times, and then put a hash that says that whole array generated by the unique, close paren, and I get the answers for the first one, and then copy it down. All right, now, if you're watching this, be sure to check the YouTube comments below, because Rico probably has some awesome single formula thing that can do it, because that's what Rico likes to do. Check out my book, Mr. Excel 2020, Seeing Excel Clearly. Click the I in the top right-hand corner for more information about that. If you want to know new Excel features first, click subscribe down the video. I pride myself on being the first to get you new features in Excel, plus lots of Q&A like this. Also, like and ring that bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below. Well, hey, I want to thank Rico for sending that question in. I can't wait to see what answer he has. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.